Top 5 interesting facts about bottlenose dolphin. First fact. Bottlenose dolphins are among the most well-known and intelligent marine mammals. Fact 2. They use echolocation to navigate and find prey underwater. Fact 3. Bottlenose dolphins live in social groups called pods, often containing 10 to 30 individuals. Fact 4. They communicate through a complex system of clicks, whistles, and body language. Fact 5. Dolphins can swim up to 35 kilometers per hour and often leap out of the water for fun or communication.